Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to get Grammarly back on Google Docs. If Grammarly isn't showing up in Google Docs, here's how you can get it working again. First is to enable Grammarly on your browser. Open up a preferred web browser and head over to grammarly.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now go to the Apps section on the left-hand side of your screen. You need to see the active icon here for Grammarly for Chrome. If it is not working properly, you can simply click on Reinstall link. After that, click on Remove from Chrome and click on Remove button, and you can again add it to the Chrome. You can also check that if the Grammarly is on, go to your extension and click on Manage Extension. If the toggle is grayed out, that means it is not enabled. Switch the toggle on. Once Grammarly is active in a browser, open Google Docs. You can also refresh or restart your browser. Here, you can see that Grammarly extension has been enabled. So that is how you can get Grammarly back on Google Docs. Following these steps should help you get Grammarly back up and running in Google Docs. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.